It was just a question.
Yeah, restate it, please.
Are you bound to a wheelchair?
No.
As a child?
Currently, no. But as a child, I had those hand cane things.
you went skiing?
Fucking Christ.
I love to ski.
Right?
So it was like skiing, but
Slopes, bro. Yeah. Your Honor, this lawyer is I think not fit to ask questions for he's laughing maniacally in the courtroom and he is asking me about my childhood and I don't know what that has to do with me.
We would like to bring Toast to the stand because Toast speaks good.
The jury is supposed to be unbiased.
Oh,
yes,
right.
We can't have a jury member up on the stand.
As much as I'd love.
Sonic. I regret every single decision I made.
See, it's
really useless as Caster. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a lie.
I think Caster could have done better for you, bud.
No.
Just have him stand up there by his lonesome, like.
He's the sex appeal. He looks good. You see that mustache?
Boy, this case is gonna be real easy.
Burn it, speak!
What? I didn't hear you say anything to me. Okay. Where were you? Shut the fuck up! Where were you on the night of the incident?
In my home.
In your home.
An hour ago.
And and what do you know about what happened during the incident?
Well, I heard. I heard that Jip was complaining.
Well,
failed.
And you wanted me to call this guy up here? Oh, sake.
No, that's actually your decision.
You can have this.
I gave him a sputter, man.
Your Honor, they're exchanging goods in the middle of the courtroom. I don't think it's the time and place for such a
You'll
thing.
be held in contempt of the courts if this
Someone
continues.
quiet AJ, please.
Yeah, that is really loud.
Your Honor, the jury is giving the witness items. I call that bribery. I declare mistrial.
Wait. I'm not even part of the jury.
What did I miss? I was wanking.
Okay, so would you?
Dude, all of the people that would have been better lawyers are now joining.
I was a witness.
Caster, shut the fuck up.
Well, I know that the doctor he was walking and stuff, and physics happens, and the drip kind of accidentally fell off. It was
accidentally.
Doctor
Accidentally.
Well, that was noted in the courts.
Doc meticulously pushed him off the edge.
Excuse me. You're badgering the witness. Excuse me.
Come stand right here as a demonstration, please. Right here, in the middle of the courtroom. I can just walk right through you and nothing really happens, yeah? You have to really push somebody to make them move. You have to really push them. You can't just walk right through somebody and move them blocks. You gotta really push that person.
Yo, this is off topic.
Wait.
Get back to protecting me, bro.
Wait.
That was your best defense yet.
You had to have meticulously pushed him off the edge by really forcing into him. He shoved.
No.
He shoved him off the edge, not just pushed. Shoved.
I really shouldn't have got that speeding ticket to get on jury duty. God damn.
So, do you have any proof to back up these accusations? So
I just gave
talking
you
a bunch of shit.
I just gave you a demonstration of proof.
It was a really shitty demonstration.
Okay.
So.
You understand it?
Now, is there any proof there was any malice behind this?
Is it bad that the jury has
How
proof?
do you accidentally? How do you accidentally? That's like if somebody.
That was an accident.
Listen, say if two people were standing on top of a building, right? And somebody, and this is in air quotes, pushes somebody off the edge, right?
It was him.
Or air quotes, accidentally pushes somebody off the edge.
I was not involved with
They
that.
still fall to their death and die.
We
right?
both fell. We both fell.
You both fell. Yes, you both fell.
He ran through me.
But say you were the only one to die, right? That's like if somebody pushes somebody off of a building and then trips. That person still murdered that person.
I fell first, Your Honor. I fell first.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No.
I absolutely 100% did.
No,
no.
And how?
I left. I
The defendant cannot speak until it is his turn.
I left.
Yes, Your Honor. This witness has been less than useful.
Defendant, do you have? Would you like to cross-examine the witness?
Sir, do you mind if I call Dr. Ezekiel, the defendant, to the questioning stand?
Certainly, if you wish to decline cross-examination, of course.
Yes.
He could have called me.
Okay, sir. Alright.
Choose more wisely.
No,
Right.
this is my courthouse. You can't do that. This is my
Dr.
courthouse.
Ezekiel.
Not
I
allowed.
love it.
Yes, sir.
My courthouse
Yes.
not allowed.
Alright, Dr. Ezekiel.
Yes.
I have a simple question for you, okay?
Yes.
I was watching earlier. You crafted an iron pickaxe, a sturdy pickaxe. Yes. Sir, how long did it take you to craft that pickaxe?
Approximately an hour and a half.
I see. Okay.
What?
Not
Alright,
helping your
sir,
own
you realize that most avid Minecraft users could probably craft a iron pickaxe in a measly couple seconds, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Objection.
Objection. It takes
No,
me
I-
15 minutes.
Objection, nothing. Objection. Overruled. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Beautiful.
Now, Dr. Ezekiel, is it also true that you, well, in the end, fell off the ledge multiple times?
Yes. Very much, Al.
Objection again.
Well, aren't you the fucking bailiff?
Quiet in the courtroom, bailiff. I apologize for him. He's a little slow.
Yeah,
Continue.
he's such a
It's
nerd.
okay.
Fucking shit
So-
up, mister.
Yeah,
Dr. Ezekiel, is
Yeah.
it also true that it took you multiple seconds after falling off the ledge to realize that the plaintiff had also fallen?
Yes. Yeah, it took a long time.
As in,
yes.
you had fallen, and mid-fall, he had fallen.
Make your pickaxe have anything to do with walking.
Regardless of that fact, it's up to him to choose the questions.
I might have an objection.
Can they
Your
call
Honor.
one more person to stand?
Your Honor, the relevancy of the pickaxe question is, well, my client doesn't have the brightest brain.
Okay, well, whether he has a big
first
brain
of all,
or not.
would you like to cross-examine the witness, Dr. Ezekiel?
Would I?
That's a yes. That's a yes.
Yes.
That's a yes.
In what world does making a pickaxe have to do?
Sir, if I
With
may
walking.
speak in my answering, I am very not smart, no brains, so I know
Listen,
not
listen.
how to.
Mentally
I'm answering your
handicapped
question, sir.
people-
I thought you needed an answer.
Is
Listen,
he pleading
even-
insanity?
Even mentally handicapped people
He's pleading on.
can walk.
Yes,
Autistic
but not well.
people can walk.
But not well.
Are you one of the wheelchair kids?
That's offensive.
It was a question. It was a question.
Objection.
Restate your question.
It was just
Yes,
a
thank
question.
Yeah, restate it, please.
Are you bound to a wheelchair
No.
as a child?
Currently, no. But as a child, I had those hand cane things.
you went skiing?
Fucking Christ.
I love to ski.
Right?
So it was like skiing, but all the
Slopes,
time.
bro. Yeah. Your Honor, this lawyer is I think not fit to ask questions for he's laughing maniacally in the courtroom, and he is asking me about my childhood, and I don't know what that has to do with
No.
You should definitely
Ban him from
sit
the
your
server.
fucking ass down
Take
before I
him from the
lose this
server and
fight.
let me get a new.
No.
There's
Your
no
Honor,
I have an
retrial.
objection. I know
Even
I
if
actually
I
I
just
have
wanna let you know you're doing
listen
great.
here,
You're doing
even
great.
Thanks.
if
Thank
Dr. Ezekiel pleads insanity, Drip here
Your
still
Honor,
deserves
no
compensation.
Objection.
insanity as of right now.
I'm saying
The plaintiff's lawyer was talking about wheelchairs, claiming that my defendant here, my client, was handicapped. Sir, he does not know where his hand is, so there's no way he could cap it.
That's fucking.
Can't be that logic.
I would like to call the plaintiff to the stand.
All right, please.
Well,
do
there
so.
you go. You got your wish.
Allowed.
Okay.
There's no.
Okay,
prediction.
Mr.
It's
Drip.
them.
Ah, yes,
So,
sir.
well, how is your relationship with Dr. Ezekiel over there?
I would use the word fond to describe it.
Fine.
But not
okay.
fond as in the synonym of good. Fond is in the stuff that you scrape off the bottom of the pot whenever you cook.
Jesus Christ.
Ooh.
Yes or no question. Would you say that, you know, your experience with him is more of a babysitting chore than a experience friendship?
I mean, yeah. Whenever
Hold on, there's a
he has
zombie
to teleport me
outside.
to the end. I
There's a
didn't want
zombie
to do it. I
downstairs.
didn't want to.
Okay,
That's what
sure.
you're getting at. I didn't want to do it. No.
Yeah. Okay, one more question. When he teleported to you in the end, you knew this, yes? Actually, I have a couple more questions. Just that one.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I'm hoping
So,
the next question is,
knowing-
are you free tonight?
Knowing that he teleported to the end with you, you were aware that, let's say, his absent-mindedness might have gotten in the way of your
Endeavors.
journey within the end.
I would like you to understand that I don't think he's absent-minded at all. I want proof.
I mean, I was using absent-minded as a, as I am
He's
calling him
wonderful,
by
you
the
see.
scientific term as saying he was tested as, mentally retarded. He has an IQ of a potato, and not even a good one at that.
I'm drooling right now.
Your Honor, next question. This
Okay.
man is being so rude.
Alright, one final question. When Dr. Ezekiel so-called pushed you off the edge, were you crouching or not crouching?
I was crouching.
And
was
do you
crouching
understand
on
that
the edge.
earlier in the case, we
I was
proved
crouching
that
on the edge,
crouching
placing blocks.
when someone
placing
walks
blocks.
by you does not push you off the edge, sir.
He ran by me.
That is all, Your Honor.
He ran. This is not true. We could prove this.
By the way,
I'm so
mentally
glad you
retardation
Thank
or
you so
mentally retarded is not used as a scientific term anymore. It's intellectual disability. I would like to say that.
Okay.
Okay, can
Sir,
we?
that is too many syllables for my client to understand.
Excuse you.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
You're making this worse on yourself than I was.
I was making it easy for
I
you to
am so
understand.
close for just objecting this dick right in your ass if you don't fucking stop.
Oh my
The only
god.
reason why I'm gotta piss.
Can I call a surprise witness to the stand?
Come here, Drip.
Who is this
Right.
witness?
Come here.
The plague doctor Shadow.
He can't. He's a bailiff.
He can
He's
still be used as a
undressing
witness.
immediately.
He can still be used as a
That was
witness.
flawless timing.
I don't know how this works.
Fine,
He's the thing.
People in a
I'll
city.
Your
allow
Honor,
this-
that's
this
an
gotta be
admission
good.
of
I'll
the
allow it.
other party's lawyer not understanding law. Your Honor.
Pretty much, yes.
Pretty
All right,
much.
I'll allow it.
So hold on, you're telling me you know more about law than me, but you're trying to play retardation? Alright.
Okay. So if I do remember, JEWDERIC, I believe it is, said that his client was mentally handicapped. Well, I do recall before and during the case, he's talked normal, like a normal person. So
I
then
mean, you
that
can
could-
have a mental disability and still talk like a person.
I
But
do,
no, then
I
he's
do
also-
my
then he's a-
best. I do my best.
You do such a good job, Dr. Z.
You do your best and you know
And also-
more things.
Pat him on the head. Somebody
Objection.
pat him.
The judge is being sweet to the defendant.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
kissing ass.
Objection overruled. Quiet down, sit down. Now, are you
Okay.
going to question the
Yes, I'm
witness
questioning.
or not?
Hold on.
Me? Oh,
Dr. Ezekiel.
right, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah,
What
call
the
the witness.
Trip.
You should probably
Sorry.
do something.
You do good.
Where were you at the time of the incident?
I was at home searching for a lost item I had lost that was very important, and the entire talk should get hit.
Okay,
Hey Jay, what's going on? Everyone's just fine. We're figuring this court case out right now.
what do you have any past experience with Dr. Ezekiel here? Do you know anything about him?
I know. The one thing I know is that earlier when he was saying he took like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
The fucking pickaxe. He
Hey.
said it was an iron pickaxe, right?
What?
You said it was an
No.
iron pickaxe, right?
No. Oh my god, no.
Well, I do recall before the trial you were saying that you could. The only thing you've learned was that you could make a pickaxe an iron pickaxe, in fact, pretty easily.
That's the
So
only.
then it's either that you are lying, or you're providing false information.
Would you say that Dr. Ezekiel here has a past of mental deficiency?
Absolutely not.
I call Your Honor.
If anything, this bald one has.
And you yourself are a so-called doctor, yes?
Yes.
Toast, you're the fucking
Were you the
jury. Come on,
doctor
bro.
that gave? Were you the doctor that gave Dr. Ezekiel his special needs test? His mental deficiency test?
Yeah. Also, how do we know he's a real? You have your.
Eh?
I mean, have you seen him stream?
He's pretty
Check the
fucking
puzzle
easy with it.
Check to the puzzle game.
Damn easy with it.
Oh my.
I don't think a
one
mental
word.
handicap. Okay.
I have
Shut
two
the fuck
words.
up,
GeoGuessr.
If any of you
Geo
have
guesser.
anything to say,
GeoGuessr?
if any of you
Have you ever played GeoGuessr with Doc, please? Oh my god.
Yeah,
it is quite apparent.
Yeah, I was there for one of those. That was funny.
Your Honor, objection. What does GeoGuessr have to do with this case?
I didn't say anything about
You ever
GeoGuessr.
played Doc?
It's.
Won't
I'm very.
understand.
I'm not smart.
I don't know
in
why you
many
guys are
things.
going off.
It's.
Let me
I don't know
would
why
argue
you
it has
guys
to
are
do-
going off on
Also,
GeoGuessr. This wasn't
I would
the
have to-
question I had asked.
Can
I'd like to
Yes.
say, Dr.
give my
Plague Doctor
evidence? Can I get
called me
fucking give my
retarded
evidence,
multiple
please?
times, but now he's claiming I'm intelligent. Yeah, yeah.
Can we
Yeah,
get
make sure you object. Yeah.
I'm talking to the witness. The witness is talking to the judge. The judge is talking to me and the witness. You're not anywhere in the equation.
I'm being tried.
Yeah, but it's not your turn to speak.
I was talking to my lawyer.
Yeah, well,
He's allowed to
It's
talk
not
to
your
his
turn
lawyer
to
in
speak.
private.
I didn't.
very loudly. That it.
You have
Whatever.
sensitive ears. You're aging.
What happened in my recreation?
Is
of
that
what
an insult
happened?
because I'm balding?
It's the truth. You
agree,
can't
yeah,
handle it.
it's-
Is
Oh
this
yeah,
an
there needs
insult
to be a
because I am balding?
recreation.
You're old.
Your Honor.
I just want to make an argument for this case really bad.
He is
May I
He
please
is-
present my information?
me. I would like immediate compensation.
Maybe
Hey,
you're the
Drip,
fucking-
your lawyer's a
Overall-
crybaby.
I'm aware. He's
Does
missing.
anyone here in this courtroom actually have a case of any kind?
Yes.
I'm trying to
Yes,
this
you're
up. I
Any
gotta get
kind of
this out.
tangible argument at all?
Let
The only
Toast-
time-
let Toast do it.
Toast does.
Your Honor, at this time, I'd like to present the evidence, the video
Oh, you
evidence
have
of
evidence.
the
Perfect.
incident occurring.
I haven't been able to fucking
Wait,
present.
we got video evidence?
You're the bailiff. Get back to work.
If we would like to all
it
go
in
to the
stream
self-promotion
That's it. Y'all are
tab,
making me obese with this
into the
long ass
Discord, as that was the only tab I was
Rocher.
able to
allowed
post
to
it in.
post it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry, I only have a 6-hour cooldown. So if we look at the video evidence, you can see if he would have pushed him off, he would have been what, 1, 2, 3 at most body lengths apart. So there was a good 20 meters apart, just estimating between
I
them,
see.
which means he fell off
the
multiple.
fucking video!
He fell off about a second after my client here
Where's
supposedly
where's the
pushed him
info?
off.
So now,
It's
okay, the
it's-
question here, in order to make this a crime, it would have to be ill content.
No,
Was
where's
any
the
malice
info?
involved in the pushing of said drip?
It's an all promo.
My client's
Because based on the
single-digit
video that I just
IQ,
watched, it looks like it was more.
had walked himself off of the edge himself, which then the plaintiff had
Wait,
walked
did you say
off
that your client pushed himself off the edge?
correct, Your Honor.
So
My
what,
client.
what you're saying
is
right
not
now
the,
is that Drip, the plaintiff, actually jumped himself off the edge, and Doc pushed himself off the edge.
Yes.
So what you're
Your
saying,
Honor,
there is no court case.
correct, Your Honor. Although I do believe that
I gotta
Drip's,
go potty.
Drip had made a mistake. I do believe that this court case is just
potty break.
obscene, considering my client had no idea what he was doing, and the plaintiff had fallen off multiple time lengths of ticks in Minecraft after he was supposedly pushed off.
Alright, I think I have enough here to kind of figure out what's going on.
The jury gets to make the decision.
Well, first of all, we need to go over the countersuit case that the defendant.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
This is
Your
court.
Honor.
Shut up.
Your Honor.
Court fucking sucks.
Court
I hope I
isn't
never
supposed
go
to
to
be
court in real life.
Correct.
Your Honor.
So,
May I please
would
ask
you like to
whether
make a case, defendant?
Yes, sir. So, my case is that my client had walked himself off the edge due to his intellectual deficiencies, and the plaintiff had fallen off after on his own free will. Therefore, there's no case.
He ran through me and I fell because he.
Well, that is not what your lawyer said, and that's not what the case found.
That is what I said. That's fucking lying. You're trying to say that's not what I said.
Your lawyer said that you pushed yourself off.
That is not what I said.
I even asked him again specifically.
That is not what I said. You guys fucking listen.
Lawyers, am I right?
If you could
Who did I hire?
fuck up for 3 seconds. I'm trying to fucking speak, and every time I've tried to fucking talk, you guys have decided, oh hey, I'm just gonna talk over him. So shut the fuck up for 3 seconds and listen. Please. I didn't even get to finish my fucking questioning. Because they were fucking talking. No, you didn't ask me if I was done asking Dr. Shadow.
Because really not much came from it.
Because I couldn't fucking speak. For Christ's sake.
Also, may I
why don't
please
you
ask?
try now? You have one more shot.
Okay. Dr. Shadow. Or the Plague Doctor. Whatever you want your name to be. Please continue what you were saying before we got off topic with whatever happened. Please.
First thing I must ask, may I please be informed on where the evidence was posted in the Discord server? Purposefully. And when like he knew.
Can we just be passive about it? He ran into me and I fell. I want my shit back.
No, and we.
You're talking out of turn. Please be quiet.
Trip, you asked for this. I just want you to know. You asked for this.
Okay. Oh, you had the dragon egg on you.
Did I or did I not go into this court case saying, hey, I think I'm just gonna, you know, defend myself? And then everyone was like, nah, you need a lawyer.
I know how Doc is, so.
You have to have that first set of elytra that I find on the line for you, alright?
Alright, fuck the jury.
Is that a bribe from the
Alright.
Are you trying to bribe the jury?
Bribe the jury right now in front of the judge?
Okay.
Fucking head ass.
Alright, car.
They turned to get a warm ID.
Shut your face. Okay. I have hereby declared that the jurors are incompetent.
Fuck yes.
We're not gonna have jurors. I
That
will do
deserves
the
another
final
shot.
verdict.
The other guy.
I have the verdict. Don't worry.
Cool.
All right. Now, in the case of Drip versus Dr. Ezekiel, I find the defendant not guilty. On the accounts that even though, yes, I do agree that he may have pushed Drip off of the block, that there was no proof of ill content or malice or any kind of
ill will,
premeditation.
Yeah.
Get on with it.
That's it. You lost. You dipshit. You had no proof to actually prove they did it on purpose. So therefore, it's not a loss. It's an accident. You both died.
You know I'm an expensive
You called
lawyer,
me
right?
Jewish thinking I was a bad lawyer. You should have expected
Can we
me.
get to kill Drip now?
Hold
Can I kill
on.
Drip now?
Oh
Wait,
yeah.
not yet.
Trip ain't leaving.
Now the defendant wanted to
Damn it.
countersue. You still want to you still want to move forward with that?
No, sir. We'd like to just chop this up as a bad accident.
All right, thank fucking Christ. Okay. Alright. Alright, okay, Drip left.
Trip left. Oh my god. Big talk.
Okay,
Big talk, big
We all
man.
go the fuck home
Big
finally.
talk,
Get the
big
fuck
man.
Get out of here.
Oh shit. shit.
Place suck.
I wanted to kill somebody.
Hey, Derek, you're the best. You're the best and only man that is ever allowed to call me retarded. Thank you. I appreciate
You're
that.
welcome. Don't worry, I have a 100% win rate.
That's completely irrelevant.
Essa